AI tools are replacing full-time jobs right now, and the people who understand how to use them are earning more money than ever before. What if I told you that you can use these tools to create your own income stream, without coding, without followers, and without experience? In this video, I'm giving you the 5 most powerful AI tools that can make you money in 2025, and how beginners are using them to earn real income. Welcome back to the Bright Mind Show. AI is evolving fast, and these tools are opening brand new opportunities for anyone who wants to earn online. Let's dive in. ChatGPT is still the king of all AI tools. People are using it to write business descriptions, create social media content, and build automation systems. It can also write blog posts and even create full YouTube scripts. Beginners are offering these services on Fiverr and Upwork, charging anywhere from $5 to $50 per task. With the right prompts, ChatGPT becomes a fully automated assistant that helps you work faster and earn more. HeyGen is dominating the video automation industry. It lets you create high-quality videos in minutes. No camera, no microphone, no recording. Businesses use narrator videos for ads, training, tutorials, and product demos. Creators are selling spokesperson videos, explainer videos, and educational videos, earning $20 to $150 per project. This is one of the easiest tools to turn into a real side hustle. ElevenLabs is the most realistic AI voice generator today. Its voices are used for audiobooks, YouTube narrations, and TikTok content. It's also used for podcast-style shorts. People are creating faceless channels and charging for voiceovers without recording a single word. This tool alone can build an entire online income stream. Midjourney generates high-quality AI images. Businesses buy these for logos, illustrations, and digital art. It's also used for character designs. Some creators are making $50 to $200 per project just by generating clean visuals. It's fast, it's simple, and the results look professional. Opus Clip is the tool that turns long videos into short viral scenes. Right now, short-form editing is in massive demand. Creators want YouTube Shorts, Reels, and TikTok scenes every week. Opus Clip does most of the work automatically, and beginners are selling short-form editing packages for $50 to $300 per client. This tool is a game changer. And that's your list of the top 5 AI tools that can help you earn money in 2025. These aren't theories. These are real tools people are using every single day. If you want more step-by-step AI money methods, subscribe to The Bright Mind Show. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.